Before you leave this world, there are places you must see.
Rome's Colosseum, where history still echoes through stone.
A wall that stretches beyond imagination, across mountains and time. A monument built for love, timeless and pure. A lost city, hidden in the clouds of Peru.
Carved into stone, Petra stands untouched by time.
Watching over Rio, a symbol of peace above the clouds. Mysteries buried in sand, older than history itself. Paris, where beauty meets the sky. A perfect peak, rising above silence and nature.